Make a great choice today with the 2018 LaCrosse. The Buick LaCrosse has a quiet interior, steady and supple ride, and responsive handling, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, rear view camera, leather trim seats. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.